Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update your Instagram application to the latest version and how you can easily get all the latest version of Instagram in 2024. That's quite simple and easy. So let's get started in the without wasting a single second. So guys, basically there are two ways that you can follow to update your Instagram to the latest version and get all the new features of Instagram. The first thing is basically you can go to the App Store, or if you're on an on Android, you can go to Google Play Store and then simply search for Instagram. And once you're on this page, if it says update, tap on update just like that, and your Instagram will be updated. However, if it says open, technically your Instagram is being updated to the latest version, but you still don't have the latest features and you want to force update it. All you'll have to do is to tap on settings, then tap on general, and then iPhone storage. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on Instagram, then tap on offload app and offload it and reinstall it. Basically, it will force update your Instagram application and you'll be able to get all the new features. So guys, if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.